Okay, so today's training, nice and fast and simple. I'm going to show you guys how to autoplay your videos on your lead capture page or your sales page or any of your personalized websites, because sometimes you want your video to autoplay right away and get people's attention. Obviously, video is often the centerpiece of your marketing, and you want to draw people's attention to that. So, for example, on this page here on my blog, I actually don't have the video playing right away, but on one of my capture pages, I do. So if someone comes to the capture page, if we refresh this, this will be like a new visitor. The video starts playing right away, and they can get right into it and start meeting me and find out. What I want to do also is, this is sort of a double training. What I'm also showing you is how easy it is to record your screen for free using JING, and that's what I'm using right now. You can see the little JING format box right down here. So let me get to this and try to do it quickly before I run into their 5-minute limit. That's the only problem with JING. It's free, it's awesome, but there's a 5-minute limit. So here's your little magic code, and autoplay equals 1. Now, I'm not an HTML guy, and I don't have to be, and neither do you. You can do this extremely simple. So let's take a look. Here is an example of a capture page that I use for training purposes, actually. I do not use it in my marketing. I use it to train my team because, quite frankly, it has all the good elements in place. A headline, a call to action, a video which also has some great information and a call to action, then another call to action, and then a form for people to get into my system and start building a relationship. So let's say that the video wasn't there yet, right? Okay. How are we going to put in the video? So I use Weebly. You can use WordPress or Blink Web or any of a variety of different systems. In Weebly, you use this very simple drag and drop method. So I put this custom HTML code in there, and then I go get my video. So I just want you guys to watch this, and you can repeat these steps. So I go to my YouTube channel. I know that this is the video I want. You look at it, when you look at it in this view, you go right here into the embed box, and all you do is click in there. It'll pre-select it for you. Now you can choose borders, and they can be different colors. I'm just going to go with straight blue on this one. I like to use borders. You can also just get rid of the border altogether if you don't like it. You can also choose different sizes. I use this size right here. So I just go in here, and then I'm going to copy that code. I go back into Weebly, and again, WordPress, Blink Web, whatever you like to use. I will paste that code in there, and I will center it. I will publish it to make it live. And then we'll go back to the actual page that appears on the web, and you'll see that the video will be in there, but it's just laying there flat. It's not playing. So what I want when someone comes to this page is for that video to play. So I go to my trusty magic code, and autoplay equals 1. Couldn't be simpler. All you do is you select it, you copy it, get back into your interface, and get into your HTML. Now, here's the only little trick. You have to find where it says the URL for YouTube, HTTP YouTube, and it's within quotations. So you go to the end of that string, it'll end in a quotation, and you simply paste in and autoplay 1. Now here's the thing, guys, you have to do this twice. You just find the exact same piece of code. It starts with a quotation and then the YouTube URL. So you go to the end of that right before the quotation, and again, you punch in that autoplay. You're good to go. I will publish it. And now when I go back to this real page with the real URL, the one that people would see on the web when they were looking at me and my marketing, I will refresh it, and you'll see that the video will play right away. And there you go. It's nice, it's simple, it's easy, and you can record it all using JING, an awesome free service. You can record your screen. So as you start learning how to market, you can turn around and be a great coach and mentor for people on your team simply by doing live video trainings, and it's a free service. So I hope you were able to get some real value from this, and I hope you start using JING in your marketing.